It has a very strange fragrance. Pregnant or lactating women should not use these products. I have taken notes for you guys. Slowly becoming my favorite brand. I do not believe that this is a cruelty-free product. If I am asked to invest only in one serum for my entire life, what an utter waste of money. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a very exciting video. This is my first video in 2025, so happy new year to you all. I hope आप सबका 2025 बहुत अच्छा जाए, बहुत joyful, peaceful और prosperous रहे. And with that, I will just go right into my video. So basically, I am going to show you guys empties of my skincare products that I've used up in 2024, and I will give you my honest reviews on the products that I have used up. Now this video will be limited to my skincare products. मैंने hair care और makeup भी इसमें include करने का सोचा था, and I have some body care products also. But then otherwise I already have like this box full of skincare products, और इसमें अगर मैं फिर body care और hair care और makeup वगैरह भी include कर लेती तो this video would have been very long. So I didn't want to like drag it beyond 20 or 30 minutes. So I will be coming up with part 2 of this video. First product empty is a cleanser from CeraVe. Now this is like mild cleanser. I love using this face wash. I just keep going back to it. I remember years ago when I had lot of acne on my face ना, मुझे डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट ने ये फेस वॉश यूज़ करने को बोला था, either CeraVe or Cetaphil, and I have never looked back from these face washes. I keep repurchasing it. So definitely it's a good face wash if you are looking for a basic fragrance free face wash that is gentle on your skin and it does not strip off your natural oils. This is a good face wash. इसकी quantity भी according to the price it's very good. Like it retails for 690 rupees और उसमें 236 ml आता है. So it will definitely last you a very long time. The next one is also from CeraVe. I just love this brand. It is fragrance free, mild, gentle, dermatologically tested है और sensitive skin है मेरी. So मेरी skin के लिए perfect है. This is the moisturizing lotion and I have loved using this product, and it is also safe for babies, for pregnant women, for lactating women. So this is like very nice basic moisturizer. Next skincare empty is this Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucin. This is an all-in-one cream. It's basically a moisturizer and I have used it as a night cream for such a long time. It has lasted me for around a year. Now this is a normal moisturizer, but I have used it as a night cream only because one, it has a very strange texture. It has like a slimy texture which I personally did not enjoy. It took some time for absorbing in my skin, so it's not particularly those lightweight moisturizers. Like if I look at this one, the CeraVe moisturizer, like it hydrates, but at the same time if you look at your skin after 5 minutes, the moisturizer is absorbed into the skin, but this one does not particularly get absorbed. So I used to use it at the night time after using my serum, and it is quite hydrating. It has worked great as a night cream, but it has a very strange texture. One, it has a very strange fragrance, and the price point is also like 1650 for 100 grams of product. Plus snail mucin is hydrating, but I do not believe that there are no substitutes to snail mucin, and I say it because I watched a documentary a few days back how snail mucin is extracted, and I realized that the snails are left to die after they are exploited to extract the mucin out of them. And so Cosrx claims that this is a cruelty-free product, but I do not believe that this is a cruelty-free product, and I am more in favor of, not more, I am completely in favor of supporting only cruelty-free brands. So for that reason I am not going to repurchase this product. The next skincare empty is this Dot & Key Retinol Plus Ceramide Night Repair Cream. Now as you can see, I have completely used it up. इसमें सिर्फ एक या दो बार यूज हो सके इतना सा moisturizer बचा है, but I have absolutely loved using it. This is like a very mild retinol, so it is good for my sensitive and acne prone skin. I used to apply it on top of the serum and I just sleep. The next morning you wake up with such nice glowy skin, so it is very hydrating. Plus it is very good for people who are beginner in anti-aging skincare. Next up, I have another product in the same range. This is the Dot & Key Pomegranate Retinol Youth Serum. Look at the packaging, it's very cute. The dropper is also very cute, like it's very easy to use. As you can see, I have completely used up. There is no product left. It's very lightweight. It gets absorbed into the skin very easily, and it doesn't have artificial fragrance. It is very mild, but both these products have retinol, and retinol is not suitable for pregnant or lactating women. So again, be careful. Pregnant or lactating women should not use these products. So the next product I have is also very raved about product on the internet, and that is Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. I have absolutely loved using this product. First of all, look at the quantity of this product. This retails for 1500 rupees, but when I got it, it was on discount, so I got it for 1100 rupees, and it has lasted me for around 2 years. Now this has a milky consistency, but it's quite hydrating. Like, it doesn't have actives like vitamin C, AHA, BHA, all these exfoliants and actives. It doesn't have. It just does the basic job of hydrating your skin. Right now I have Plum Goodness ka green tea toner on my shelf, so I have just started using it, but I will definitely go back to this product. This is absolutely worth the hype. This can be your go-to toner for hydrating your skin. So yeah, this is a big thumbs up product. So the next skincare empty is again a serum. It is from Minimalist. It is their 10% niacinamide serum. Now this serum not only has niacinamide, but it has other active ingredients. I have taken notes for you guys, and niacinamide reduces excess oil and improves the skin texture. Zinc prevents acne and it is antibacterial. Matte marine reduces appearance of large pores, and acetyl glucosamine evens skin tone in combination with niacinamide. Okay, so they have included other active ingredients to address specific concerns. I do have oily skin, like my T-zone tends to get very oily. Whenever I go out for even an hour, or even if I am at home, if I am not sitting in AC, I tend to have very oily skin, and I do need some products that reduces the oil production or sebum production on my skin. So I have absolutely loved using it. Now this one can be used in the morning or in the night. This is for suitable for both AM and PM, but I used to use it in the morning skincare routine, and this has worked very good on my skin. And given the price point and quantity of this product, I definitely would recommend buying this product. This is 30 ml of product and retails for 599 rupees. So this is quite a good product. I have in general enjoyed using all the serums from Minimalist. They always does the job, and the actives are not irritating for my sensitive skin, so that's a big thumbs up. The next skincare empty is 2 sunscreens from Dot & Key. I feel like Dot & Key is slowly becoming my favorite brand. Now I have 2 sunscreens, which are watermelon cooling sunscreen and vitamin C plus E sunscreen. Watermelon cooling sunscreen has hyaluronic acid in it, and vitamin C plus E has Sicilian blood orange in it. So both of these products have some active skincare ingredients with it, so it takes care of your skin at the same time. I absolutely love the packaging of this product. First of all, just look at how cute this looks. Second of all, the nozzle is very good for precision, so there is no spillage or no wastage of product. The price point is really good. It's around 580 rupees for 80 grams of product, and there are always some or the other offers going on Nykaa. Watermelon cooling sunscreen is a gel based formula, and the vitamin C plus E1 is a water based formula, but both of these products are excellent, very lightweight, very fast absorbing. It literally like sinks and dissolves into your skin, works great as a base for your makeup formula. The packaging, everything is great. The next skincare empty I have is this Plum Vitamin C Glow Boost Serum. Now first of all, let's talk about the packaging. The dropper is very nice, and it comes in a dark colored bottle, so it helps to retain the actives in the product. Now as you can see, I have used it completely, and I have used it as a night cream mostly because vitamin C can cause irritation if you go out in sun without proper sun protection. So just to be on safer side, I have used it in the night time, and it it's very lightweight. It has like mild fragrance, which is not very pleasing, but this product works very good. Like if you apply it, it helps to remove your whiteheads and brighten your skin. So I use it only once or twice a week, and that does the job for me. It has 15% vitamin C, so you need to be a bit careful while applying it. You should not apply it on around your sensitive areas like your under eyes or your lips, around lips area. You should be careful while applying this, but otherwise this is a very good product. The next skincare empty is the very popular, the OG Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Now this is a 75 ml bottle. I previously used the 20 ml bottle and that worked wonders for me, so I decided to invest in this bottle. Plus there was some Black Friday offer going on. The set of 2 bottles was on 40% sale, so I decided to go for it, and I have been using this product for over 2 years. Now the packaging is really good. I have even like उसको उल्टा करके पूरा एक drop मैंने use कर लिया है. I literally love this product so much. It has ceramides and peptides. It has anti-aging effects. It works on your fine lines and wrinkles, and it has a lot of anti-aging properties. It is literally magic in a bottle. I would highly recommend you purchase this product, invest in this product rather, because this is worth every single penny. If you are a woman over 30 and if you are looking to invest in good skincare product, in a good serum, just go for it. It has a very mild fragrance, it has milky consistency, and it just absorbs into your skin really well. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky on your skin. Just take a few drops of it because it has milky consistency. Just 3 drops will cover your entire face. If I am asked to invest only in one serum for my entire life, this would be it. It is so good. I don't think I am ever going to stop repurchasing this product because it is worth every penny. The next product I have is this fresh sugar. The next empty I have is this Fresh Cosmetics sugar face scrub. So I was dealing with a lot of whiteheads on my face, and I was in search of a good scrub. That's when I stumbled upon it. Now I'm not sure if this product is available in India, but I bought it from Sephora. This is like 30 grams of product and it retails for $40. So on the price point side, I find it a bit expensive. I have used it completely, only a little bit of product is left. It smells very citrusy, like honey, sugar and citrus mixed together. Like I had heard that the sugar scrubs are very harsh on skin, but it has very mild micro granules, and as you apply it, it has oil also. So once you start rubbing it on your face, it converts into oil and the sugar literally melts. So after it has scrubbed your face, it has exfoliated the skin, it will you can just keep on massaging it, and it's like massaging your skin with an oil. So it's really a good scrub. But right now I have started using the Neutrogena face polish, like micro boost face polish or something like that, and that is much cheaper than this option, and that one also has very micro particles to exfoliate the skin. So I do not think that this product is worth it, because it's literally like 30 grams of product for over like $40 is equal to like 2,500 rupees, and I do not want to spend. I do not think that this product is worth it. So yeah, I just needed something to exfoliate, that's it. So I find the Neutrogena one better. The next product I have used up in 2024 is Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Now this product is in 30 ml packaging, and I specifically bought it for traveling. The product is really good. It does the job. It literally takes the day off, literally melts all your heavy makeup. It is like a balm consistency. When you take it in the hand and massage it, it turns into like a milky oily consistency and just melts into your skin. So it doesn't strip off the natural oils of your skin while cleaning the makeup that you have put on. So as a product, it's a really good product, but I have my own concerns. I recently learned that Clinique is not a cruelty-free brand, so for that reason I will not go for it. The next product empty is this Murad Environmental Shield. Now this is supposed to be more like sunscreen lotion, correct and protect broad spectrum serum, SPF 45 PA++++. So I First of all, I'm very disappointed with the packaging of this product. The product doesn't come out of it. I don't know if it has dried up or it is supposed to be like this. If it's supposed to be like this, they should have given it in a tube packaging so that it's easier to take out the product. This retails for 6,000 rupees for 50 ml of product. What an utter waste of money. Next skincare empty is a face pack. This is from Just Herbs and this is their almond complexion pack. I in general have like oily or combination skin, and whenever I'm feeling too oily, I just apply this kind of clay masks and it kind of helps me to clear out the oil from my skin. So just once or twice a week, and that does the job for me. I just feel like my skin is clean. But this was around 600 rupees and for 150 grams of product. And now as you can see, the product has dried out from the corners. I mean, I was continuously using it, so I don't know when it happened, but yeah, I like lately I had to mix oil or rose water to the product and apply it on my skin, but now it has reached a condition where I cannot apply it anymore. But I do have khadi, those powder like multani mitti and orange peel powder and sandalwood powder, and I just mix it with the milk or honey or curd, and that does the job for me. Like that does the same job as this mask, and those are pretty affordable as well. Lastly, I have 3 lip balms that I have used up. The first one is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I'm sure you all must have come across this product. It is a very nice lip balm. It's a lip sleeping mask, but I use it as a lip balm also, and it's a very soft buttery consistency lip balm. Very good if you have pigmented lips or you have dry or chapped lips. This can really be your savior. Just apply a thick layer at night or just use it on a day-to-day basis as a lip balm, and this will really help you with dry chapped lips or pigmented lips. If you wear a lot of lipsticks like I do on a regular basis, I usually apply a lipstick or a lip gloss or a lip tint, and I do have pigmented lips, and this has really helped me to like have those like rosy pink soft lips. So very good lip balm. The second one I have is Hyphen One. The Hyphen One is also vitamin infused peptide lip balm. So because this has vitamin and peptides, this also helps with pigmentation. It is also very hydrating, very nourishing. It doesn't have any tint. It is in vanilla variant, and the packaging is really good. The application is very smooth because it has a bit of curve here, and yeah, the product is really good. I don't know why it tastes like a dessert. I really enjoy using this one. And the third one is a product, the only product from Dot & Key which I am really disappointed with. This is the Dot & Key Gloss Boss Vitamin C plus E SPF 30 lip balm. I haven't specifically enjoyed using this lip balm. This one for some reason tastes very bitter when applied on lips. Plus whenever I take out the product, right, it has a separate layer of oil which I don't particularly enjoy. Like if you can see, I have taken out the product. Can you see the oil around it? I don't intend to repurchase this one, but I definitely enjoyed the other 2 lip balms. So with that, we have reached to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed my skincare empties video. This is my first one, and I intend to create many more videos like this. So do hit like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will be coming up with part 2 which will have body care, hair care and makeup empties. I do have a lot of empties to share my reviews on. Bye, see you in my next one.